Is your objective to exploit new market segments and business opportunities? Or is your objective to shield your bank from the increasing delinquency rates? With our decision engine, build more intelligent, transparent, agile, and complex segmenting and decision strategies for your business while complying with policies and industry regulations. Our solution provides an intuitive interface in this fast-changing environment and allows business users to assume much of the responsibility for day-to-day rule and policy changes. You can map decisions to business objectives and define, manage, and monitor policies with unsurpassed operational reliability, security, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. How? Collaborate on the business of the rule. See the collaboration across your organization strengthen. Business rules become a common language with no gap between specification and implementation. Define your decision models at very early stages of a new rule. Decision engine business candidate. Scoring of customer portfolios. Segmentation of customer portfolios. Strategies implementation. Credit and loan approvals. Underwriting. Claims processing. Compliance and reporting. Customer loyalty programs. Cross-sell, upsell, and recommend the right products.